Hi, my name is Nick.
And I'm Noah.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, today we're going to talk about building your daily habits in 2026.
Dude, I gotta tell you, this morning was insane.
Oh, what happened?
I woke up at 6 a.m., saw the sunrise over the city, and for real, it was like the sky was on fire.
No way, 6 a.m.? That's kind of early, even for you.
I know, right? But I'm trying this new habit thing for 2026, waking up early and starting the day with energy.
Totally. I've been trying that too. First thing I do is stretch for like 10 minutes.
Stretching? Nice. I usually hit a short workout. Nothing crazy, just push-ups and a little yoga.
That's awesome. You know what's fun? Some people in the US are even using virtual reality workouts now. Like you put on these VR goggles and it feels like you're hiking in the Rockies while doing squats in your living room.
Dude, that's legit. I gotta try that. Okay, pronunciation check for our listeners. Repeat after me. Stretch, workout, habit.
Yeah, say it with me. Stretch, workout, habit.
Perfect. For real, saying these words out loud helps you remember them faster.
Speaking of remembering, breakfast is my favorite part of the morning.
Oh yeah, me too. What did you have today?
I went with an oat bowl. Berries, almond milk, chia seeds. Pretty 2026 trendy, you know?
No way. I'm more of an avocado toast and coffee kind of guy.
Totally legit. And hey, a lot of Americans are even trying oat milk lattes now. It's like a coffee revolution in 2026.
Wow, dude, speaking of coffee, do you ever get that mid-morning slump?
All the time. I usually take a short walk or play a quick song on my playlist. Keeps me awake and focused.
That's a good idea. I sometimes just do a micro challenge, 10 push-ups or a few stretches. Kind of wakes me up fast.
Hey, here's a mini quiz for our listeners. Which morning habit do you think most Americans will try in 2026?
Okay, think about it. Waking up early, doing a short workout, or eating a healthy breakfast.
Yeah, you can answer in the comments. Totally curious what everyone picks.
Another fun fact, some offices in 2026 are starting morning power hours, where employees can do meditation or yoga before work.
For real? That's awesome. Imagine getting paid to stretch.
Exactly. And even students are joining these virtual morning sessions, kind of like a morning pep club, but online.
Dude, okay, let's try a quick listening check. I'm gonna say a phrase, you repeat it. Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Good. One more. Healthy breakfast.
Healthy breakfast.
Nice! See? That's how small habits and saying words out loud can help you remember both English and routines.
You know, mornings are kind of magical. It's the only time of the day when everything feels quiet and you can just focus on yourself.
I get you. And adding a fun habit, even a small one, makes it feel like you're starting your day with a little win.
So whether it's stretching, coffee, or even checking your 2026 to-do list app, mornings are all about setting yourself up for success.
Totally. And for our listeners, micro challenge time. Try saying your top 3 morning habits out loud in English.
All right, before we dive deeper tomorrow, later in the story, remember, starting your morning with energy can change your whole day.
Yeah, seriously. And even small habits, when done consistently, make a big difference over time.
Okay, that's a wrap for now, but don't worry, there's plenty more habits to explore, and we'll keep it fun and easy.
Totally. And for our listeners, remember, try one new morning habit tomorrow. You might just love it.
Exactly. For real, it's a pretty cool way to start your 2026 on the right foot.
All right, dudes and dudettes, that's our morning routine adventure for today. Keep practicing your English and building those habits.
And yeah, remember, even tiny steps count. No worries if it's slow. You got this.
Totally. All right, let's chill and enjoy the morning vibes for now.
Totally. Speaking of habits, dude, let's talk about work.
Yeah, I was just thinking, mornings are great, but staying productive all day? That's the real challenge.
For real, I've been testing this new 2026 productivity app. It tracks your tasks and even reminds you to take breaks.
No way. That sounds pretty high tech. What's it called?
It's called Flowmate. Totally helps you stay on track without feeling stressed.
Dude, that's awesome. I usually just make a to-do list, but mine's kind of old school, pen and paper.
Hey, pen and paper is legit too. Actually, studies show people remember tasks better when they write them down physically.
Wow, really? That's surprising. Hey listeners, mini quiz. Which habit do you think helps Americans stay more productive in 2026? Digital apps or old school lists?
Yeah, answer in your head first, then repeat it out loud in English. Digital apps or old school lists.
Another thing, taking short breaks is huge. Like, I try to walk around for 5 minutes every hour.
Exactly, and it's crazy how much just standing up or stretching can reset your brain.
Totally. And some offices in the US even have standing desks with treadmill options. Imagine walking while answering emails.
Dude, that's like next level multitasking.
Okay, pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. Productive. Task. Focus.
Yeah, say it again. Productive, task, focus.
Perfect. You gotta practice saying these words out loud. It really helps remember them.
Dude, another 2026 trend? Some people schedule deep work hours with no notifications, no distractions, just pure focus.
No way. That sounds like a dream. I'm always getting pinged by emails or messages.
I get you. That's why setting boundaries is a huge part of daily habits now. Even students are trying this, putting phones in another room to concentrate on homework or projects.
Yeah, and you know what's fun? I made a little micro challenge for today. Finish one big task without checking your phone.
Nice! Our listeners can try it too. Say it out loud with me. Finish one task without my phone.
Finish one task without my phone.
Another interesting fact, Americans in 2026 are embracing short focus sprints, like 25 minutes of work, 5-minute break, repeat.
Perfect. Oh, I've heard of that. The Pomodoro method, right?
Exactly, totally legit and surprisingly effective.
All right, listening check for our audience. Repeat this phrase. Focus sprint.
Focus sprint.
One more. Take a break. Dude, I noticed that keeping a tidy workspace also helps. Even just a clean desk makes your brain feel less cluttered.
For sure. And some people even use background music playlists designed for concentration, classical, jazz, or those 2026 lo-fi beats everyone's talking about.
Oh yeah, lo-fi beats are awesome. Totally chill while staying focused.
Here's a mini quiz. What's better for work focus, taking short breaks or working straight for hours?
Yeah, think about it, then repeat your answer in English. Breaks or long hours?
And don't forget, even casual habits count, like drinking water regularly or standing up to stretch. Sounds small, but it makes a big difference in energy.
Totally. You know what? I'm going to add a new micro challenge for myself. Drink a glass of water every hour today.
Awesome! Listeners, try saying that out loud too. Drink a glass of water every hour.
For real, staying productive isn't just about work. It's the little routines around it that build your day.
Exactly. Even taking 5 minutes to plan tomorrow's tasks tonight makes the next day smoother.
All right, dudes, we just covered a lot. Apps, deep work, focus sprints, tiny breaks, and micro challenges.
Yeah, and even just practicing these phrases in English while doing them helps you remember both the habits and the language.
Totally. Okay, that's a solid chunk of our 2026 productivity story.
Remember, listeners, pick one habit today, practice it in English, and see how it changes your focus and energy.
Yeah, and honestly, these small wins pile up. Pretty cool, right?
For real, that's what makes habits stick, consistency and tiny steps.
Yeah, dude, evenings are kind of my favorite part of the day.
Oh, how come?
It's when I get to chill, relax, and reflect on the day, you know? Unwind a little before tomorrow starts.
Totally get you. For me, I love prepping dinner early. Keeps me on track.
Nice. What's on the menu tonight?
I went with a healthy meal prep bowl. Quinoa, roasted veggies, a little salmon. Pretty for 2026.
Wow, that's awesome. I'm just doing a simple avocado toast and smoothie tonight. Easy, but chill.
Hey listeners, pronunciation check. Repeat after me. Relaxation, preparing, routine.
Relaxation, preparing, routine. Perfect. And you know what's cool about evenings in 2026? People are streaming short, mindful TV shows designed to help you relax, like 10-minute episodes with calming visuals and music.
No way, that sounds legit. I tried one yesterday. Felt like a mini vacation in my living room.
Exactly. And some friends even use meditation apps after dinner. Totally chill and helps with sleep.
For real, even little habits make a big difference, like turning off your phone 30 minutes before bed or journaling for 5 minutes.
Yeah, micro challenge for our listeners. Tonight, try writing one thing you're grateful for. Say it in English. I'm grateful for...
I get you. And it's kind of fun to repeat it out loud. Helps your English and your mindset.
Also, don't forget stretching or a short evening walk. Some Americans are using 2026 smart shoes that track steps and posture while you stroll.
Dude, tech really makes habits easier to track these days.
Quick listening check. Repeat after me. Evening routine. Mindful relaxation. Preparing for tomorrow.
Evening routine, mindful relaxation, preparing for tomorrow. Perfect.
And honestly, even small routines like tea before bed or reading a chapter of a book make your day feel complete.
Totally. Little wins pile up, you know? That's why consistency matters.
For real, evenings are the reward for a productive day. You chill, reset, and get ready to crush tomorrow.
Yeah, and adding a small habit tonight makes your 2026 even better.
All right, dudes, that's our evening routine vibe. Simple, chill, and totally doable. Keep practicing your English while you relax, and remember, tiny habits make a big impact.
Yeah, totally. And, looking back at our day, even tiny habits really add up.
Exactly. I was thinking about that too. Just a small walk, a little journaling, or even repeating English phrases can make a huge difference over time.
For real. And for our listeners, micro challenge time. Say out loud one habit you want to start tomorrow in English.
Yeah, repeat after us. I will insert habit tomorrow.
I will. Tomorrow. Perfect. Keep practicing it, even if it's small.
Dude, consistency is key. I've been trying to stick to one new habit each week in 2026. And you know what? It's kind of fun tracking progress.
Totally. And speaking of tracking, some Americans are using smart journals now, digital ones that give feedback on your habits and mood. Pretty high tech for 2026.
Wow, that sounds awesome. And even if you don't have the tech, just writing down what you did today is legit. Small steps, big impact.
Exactly. And here's a quick listening check. Repeat these phrases. Build daily habits. Stay consistent. Reflect on progress.
Build daily habits, stay consistent, reflect on progress.
And for motivation, imagine how good it feels when you see yourself sticking to habits for a week, a month, or even longer. That's real progress.
Totally. And honestly, that's what makes 2026 exciting. We have tools, tips, and routines that really help us grow every day.
All right, listeners, question for you. Which 2026 habit are you most excited to start? Write it in the comments and practice saying it in English.
Yeah, we'd love to hear it. Sharing your goals makes them feel more real.
And remember, even tiny steps count. No worries if it's slow. Every bit adds up.
Totally. You got this. And if you enjoyed today's conversation, hit that subscribe button for more tips, routines, and fun English practice.
Yeah, and check out our other videos. We have more episodes on daily habits, productivity hacks, and real English conversations, perfect for practicing and learning naturally.
For real, dudes and dudettes, 2026 is your year to build habits, improve your English, and feel awesome every day. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the process.
That's right. Tiny steps, consistency, and a little fun. That's how you make habits stick and learn English at the same time.
All right, that's a wrap for today. Go crush your habits tomorrow and keep practicing your English.